Here's how you add the poppy sound effect to your video, just like this. To add the pop sound effect, first upload a video of you tapping, then tap on overlay to add the images or items you want the sound to pop with. Adjust the overlay images to where your hand pop. Then go to audio, sound effects and search for pop tapping. Select the effect and line it up with your overlay to pop as your hand touches the items. Duplicate the sound effects to fit in as you tap. Comment below if you tried it and don't forget to like and follow for more tips.